Ayan.
Hi, I'm Carlo Miguel Dasal from grade 10 St. Camillus de Lelis. Gun control, is it for war or for peace? Many people say that it is for peace, and I agree with them. Some people don't take the responsibilities of having a gun because they think if they have a gun, they are tough or cool. Some says that it is for self-defense. Most of the news is about crimes, and guns are used to kill their victim, to rob, to commit suicide, and many more. Not all of us has the ability to handle a gun. But how do criminals get 40% of them get guns from illegal sources like black markets. 37% get guns from family or friends. 12% from legal purchase. And 11% from others. It is right to restrict guns in our country to lessen the crime rate. Guns are not the problem in our society. Guns don't kill people by itself. It is the bad guy who kill people using a gun. Today, gun control is on the minds of many people. Gun control is for peace.